How to make low-carb cheeseburger in bowl. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: half medium yellow onion, 2 teaspoons fresh garlic, 2 tablespoon avocado oil, 500 gram ground beef, 3 tablespoons unsweetened dill pickle relish, 200 gram canned tomatoes with green chilies, 2 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 2 medium zucchini, diced, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, salt and pepper to taste. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. Dice the onion and mince the garlic. 3. In a frying pan over medium heat, add the olive oil and then the diced onion. Stir together for 1 to 2 minutes. 4. Add in the garlic and stir well. Add in the ground beef and let cook until it is mostly brown. 5. Add in the canned tomatoes, tomato paste, and Dijon mustard. 6. Stir all of it together very well and then add the pickle relish. 7. Stir in the diced zucchini and let cook covered for 13 to 15 minutes. 8. Once done, add the shredded cheddar cheese and season with salt and pepper. Let it cook on low heat until the cheese has melted. 9. Then, serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of low-carb cheeseburger in bowl. Each serving comes out to be 543 calories, 42.7 grams fat, 7.5 grams net carbs, and 30.9 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you.